We have been working really very hard for this thing to happen. Finally, we are here to talk to you about it. I'm very excited. At OASE, we care about the values and we care about the habits of children a lot because these are the building blocks of their character. We'll be discussing about building up their profiles for admission abroad primarily, how their writing and speaking skills are going to be very vital in their profile building. Everyone knows that when you want to speak about something with authority or you want to write about something with authority, so the prerequisite of those things is going to be A, your understanding about the topic should be impeccable, and B, you must have enough articulation to express, and that's where before you do anything, reading comes very handy. So reading is the first thing we need to begin with. And जब भी मैं reading की बात करता हूँ, everyone is like कि they already read a lot, the kids already have to read so much. जो SAT वाले बच्चे होंगे वो कहेंगे कि हम बहुत सारे passages read करते हैं, हम इतनी सारी textbook read करते हैं. And that takes me back when I gave the same argument to my professor, S.B. Singh sir. And he pointed out that Asim, when you read something from the textbook or you read something from the notes or the material, no matter how wonderful that material actually is, they are going to provide you with facts, objective facts. And the problem with objective facts is that they can be manipulated based upon one's own prejudices and biases. That when you are reading Indian independence struggle by my notes or anywhere, you are going to get to know about the key players and events that took place. But when you are going to read the books of Ramchandra Guha, you will actually get to know the perspective and the background in which those events actually took place. And I countered his argument by saying, sir, but won't it be the perspective of Ramchandra Guha? He said, yes, it would be the perspective of Ramchandra Guha, and therefore you need to even read more so as to get perspective from as many writers and thinkers as possible. Right now in class 11 physics we have just started a chapter called gravitation, and though the best content you can ever get about that chapter is given in the black books, be it notes, be it derivation, be it question and answers, everything is very concisely and precisely given in those black books. But if and when you read a book called Death by Black Hole, written by a famous astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson, then you'll actually get to know what a majestic power gravitation actually is. Such majestic power that it rules and dominates the entire universe. And that kind of understanding no textbook, no notes, no material can provide. Primarily जो बच्चे यहाँ पर हमें सुन रहे होंगे वो कहीं ना कहीं ग्रेजुएशन में या पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन में अपनी प्रोफाइल बिल्डिंग के बारे में सोच रहे होंगे to get their admission abroad in the esteemed universities. And for such kids, starting to read is not a suggestion, it's a prescription. Think about it. आप हार्वर्ड जाना चाहते हैं, आप येल जाना चाहते हैं, आप आईवी लीग की किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटीज में जाना चाहते हैं, ऑक्सफोर्ड, कैम्ब्रिज, आप इन सारी जगहों पर पढ़ने जाना चाहते हैं. एंड इमेजिन पढ़ने की आदत ही हमने कभी डाली नहीं. Irony abounds in that case. Kids do not do what we elders ask them to do. Kids do what they see us doing. So अगर हम इनको पढ़ने की आदत डलवाना चाहते हैं, then we need to develop a culture of reading. I propose a simple solution to that what if every member of the family starts to read any book, any genre, anything you like to read about, you can start with that book. Reading, if you say reading takes time, I'm going to propose one page, just one page a day. It won't take more than 3 minutes of your time. We are living in 2020. Despite of this entire chaos, imagine आपके पास ऑडियो बुक्स की सुविधा अवेलेबल है. Can you think about it कि 125 रुपए के ऑडिबल के सब्सक्रिप्शन पे, I'm not marketing Audible by the way, they haven't paid us. So, लेकिन 125 रुपए के सब्सक्रिप्शन पे ओबामा खुद आपको आपकी अपनी स्टोरी बता के जा रहा होगा. That's by the way a very wonderful book called Dreams for My Father, written by Barack Obama.
That's how all the stories went. Compact, apocryphal, told in rapid succession in the course of one evening.
So आपके पास जितना भी spare time है, when you are driving, when you are commuting from one place, when you're working out, you can constantly keep reading. And then what you can do is that in the evening, when you sit together on the dinner table, you can put together whatever you are reading. Every family member will have some idea to discuss about. तो जो communication gap भी हमारी families में develop होता है, that will be taken away. And I do it all the time. But currently I'm going on with 2 books. First, I'm reading it, and it's called Early Indians by Tony Joseph. It's a marvelous book about the Indian history. And the second one I'm listening to as an audio book is Hind Swaraj by Mahatma Gandhi. And my mom, she's reading a book written by Ramdhari Singh Dinkar. And in the evening, we sit together and we discuss, we debate, at times we argue, but we never go conversationless. The communication never stops because we always have some great idea to discuss about. Otherwise, with all humility, I must remind you all that your evening news channel and those WhatsApp forward of WhatsApp University are literally killing the future of your child by filling them with misinformation. I say so because when you said that you are aspiring for an esteemed university abroad, you have already come upon the word stage. At this point, if you are aspiring for admission in these Ivy Leagues, Harvard, Yale, Cambridge, Oxford, your competition is not sitting in your school. He's not going to be, maybe not going to be your peers. They might be sitting in Oslo, in Wellington, in Seoul, in London, in Tokyo, because these universities take 1% of top 1%. And this 1% of top 1% is not getting the information based upon कि भारत क्या पूछ रहा है. अब सिद्धार्थ मुझे इशारा कर रहा है कि भाई घड़ी नहीं देख सकते, कैलेंडर देख लिया करो. I'll just finish at this note that in this diabolical world where there is a huge chasm between misinformation and knowledge, between cherry picking of facts for the vested interests and the subjective understanding, I somehow know in my gut that you want your child to be on the right side of this divide. And that starts with reading. So please start to build the culture of reading. Please start reading yourself.